It's Friday and woke up, uh, had two surgeries, went well, rushed to the physiotherapist, got some work done. He said I was good to go to do some moderate work with my back supported. So that got me excited. So I'm going to try some seated bench press, moderate weights. This seems okay. So I'm going to be doing this, and then another variation of the chest press with seating, then flies, seated flies. Then I'm going to do a lateral raise lying down on the bench, and then I'd probably do some triceps and be done. So that's the plan for the day. And I'm able to eat today. Yesterday, because I hadn't trained for like 2 or 3 days, my appetite went down the drain. Today, hopefully, my appetite comes back and I'm able to eat. So that's the plan. So to the rest of you who are not injured, please keep pushing, please keep eating, train hard, push to the extreme, do whatever it takes to achieve what you want.